Welcome to my presentation on the 9 key areas that are critical for quality management plans. But first, let's start with a little icebreaker. So 4 engineers get into a car and the car won't start. So the mechanical engineer says it's a broken starter. The electrical engineer says it's a dead battery, while the chemical engineer says, oh, it's just impurities in the gasoline. While the IT engineer says, hey guys, how about we all just get out of the car and get back in? Let's start with our presentation. The first item to consider in a quality management plan is how we follow professional practices. We're an engineering firm, so we always want to know our responsibilities under the Professional Engineers Act. We follow PEO's practice guidelines and performance standards, and we know where to find them. I've actually bookmarked PEO's Knowledge Center page. We see PEO's Code of Ethics as important to how we act and interact with each other and our clients. We've even made it a regular topic of discussion at team meetings. Next, safety is essential on our sites and in our workplace. So we have clearly documented safety and work procedures that everyone follows, and we have training on those procedures. Training is not a one-time deal, though. New employees go through the full training, and then everyone has to do a smaller refresher course every year. How we communicate with each other and with our clients and the face we present to the public is important. We all know about reputation. We have a communications policy that everyone follows. It even includes how we use email, and we make sure our employees have the tools they need to communicate and share information. How we manage data. Privacy is important to our clients, which is why we have a privacy and confidentiality policy. This policy is up on our website, and we cover it with any new client we get. One of the things that was lacking a few years ago in our firm were document management procedures. We had everyone trying to do it their way, filing things on their desktops or not at all, or using obscure names for their file titles. You can imagine how difficult it was to find information and files, not to mention version control. We implemented a website-based collaboration system and are using it to store, organize, share, and access our information. I love it. We also wanted to prepare in the case of an emergency and hired an outside firm to help us come up with a disaster recovery plan. The plan is in place and we're confident our data is safe. Another part of that plan was to ensure our employees could continue working from home in the case of a disaster. Without employees, we have no business, and getting and keeping the right talent is important. We have a hiring policy, robust job descriptions, regular performance reviews, and everyone gets a professional development plan. We do insist, though, that any professional development benefits both the firm and the employee. Quality management requires compliance. We have standard operating procedures that are well documented. We also include tip sheets with those to make it simple. And our employees, they know what to do. And we also ensure our employees are trained on those SOPs. Another part of quality management is how we contract for and manage projects. We want our clients to experience the same level of service, and we start with standard contract forms that define our relationship. We also have set project management processes and procedures that all our project managers follow, and these managers are heavily trained on those. And if we can't do the work in-house, we have an outsourcing policy to make sure that any outside contractors are following our processes and procedures. Quality management needs quality control. We implemented a quality assurance program in the firm to do just that. And we're serious about our work and want to be sure we deliver quality every time. This includes scoping our projects appropriately, having clear lines of technical responsibility, and using due diligence in our decisions. We also conduct both practice and technical reviews to make sure our firm and our engineers are delivering on our promise of quality. The final area in a good quality management plan is how we manage and mitigate risk to the firm and on projects. Our firm developed a risk management plan that addresses how we identify, assess, and prioritize risk. It's been tremendous in helping us surface and plan for potential risks before they occur. Those are the 9 areas. While you don't have to include all of them, this could provide a template for how to approach developing your own quality management plan. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day.